Hi guys, it's Azra here from Luxy Hair, and today I'm going to be showing you my favorite hair routine, which is how to get a salon-worthy blowout in short hair. Before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from Luxy Hair, and also click the notification button so you know when we have new videos up. So you know when you go to the salon and they cut your hair and they style it and it's looking all nice and fluffy and bouncy, and then you go home and you try and restyle your hair and it just looks all flat and you just can't get that salon look? Well, I'm going to teach you how to get that today. Alright, so this is my hair unstyled. So the first thing I'm going to do is give it a good wash. Now that I've given my hair a good wash, I'm just going to brush it out with a paddle brush. So the secret to a salon-worthy blowout is prepping your hair before you actually start to blow dry. The first thing I'm going to do is use a leave-in conditioner. I usually like to put this on the ends of my hair because the ends are quite dry, and this is usually the deal with everybody's hair. Now that I have my leave-in conditioner in the ends, my hair is feeling nice and soft. So now we're going to go ahead and put in a thickening spray at the roots. Now we have our leave-in conditioner at the ends, thickening spray at the roots, and now my favorite trick to get that big blowout and that beautiful volume is to actually use a texturizing spray while your hair is wet. So you're going to flip your hair upside down and then spray the texturizing spray all over. Put your hairbrush in your hair, curl it into your hair like this so it's nice and tight. And you want to keep it nice and tight as you're blow drying. So just keep rolling and pulling. Hot air is going to style. Cool air is actually going to keep holding the style. So what I like to do is blow dry the roots with hot air. Quickly turn the heat setting to low. Just give the roots a little blast of cold air. So it's going to keep it nice and volumized and keep the root lifted. Once you've blow dried all the way up to sort of the crown of your head area, what we're gonna do is actually put all my hair forward and then I'm gonna blow dry backwards. And there you go. You can just see how bouncy and big your hair is after blow drying this way. And also because of that texturizing spray in the beginning, it just gives it that nice airy volume. So I think this looks pretty salon worthy, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you'd like to see any more Luxy hair tutorials, just click right here and we'll see you next time.